Yo, what's up guys, welcome back to the channel, and today I'm gonna show you how to use Atlas reward credit card to book a cruise. All right, it's gonna be a quick video. We're not gonna waste much time on this. Pretty simple and straightforward, so let's just go straight into it. Now the first thing you're gonna do is to log into your Atlas online banking platform, or you can log in on the Atlas mobile app on your mobile device. Now once you're logged into your account, you just want to select the credit card account that you want to use to book a cruise, and then you're going to click on travel, and now you're going to review the cruise booking options that are available on Atlas, and just search and book a cruise using your credit card, and you can review and confirm your cruise booking details just to make sure everything is as it should be. So yeah, that's pretty much it on how to use the Atlas reward credit card to book a cruise. I hope you guys liked the video. Hope you found the information useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought. Share the video with your friends and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and I'll catch you guys